Hi, my name is Reshma, and I have taken Anukri Level 1 and 2 with Dr. Tricia and Dr. Rusty here at Entelechea. And Anukri has really deepened my understanding of my soul's journey. It has brought me back to me, to my power, to the knowing and the oneness inside of me. I have realized a lot and shifted my perspectives about life and about myself through things that I was programmed to believe, thoughts, culture, society. All of that has shown me that everything is inside of me. My power, my strength, my love, my peace, all comes from within. It has brought me so much peace and calmness in my life. It has allowed me to see the negative or non-beneficial beliefs that I've held, and I feel a release. I feel like I can step into my power now, and I feel like I can just be happy to be me. It has been such a blessing to be coming to Entelechea for the past year and to learn from Dr. Tricia and Dr. Rusty, to feel their love, to feel their presence, to feel their support and guidance. I have been extremely blessed to be crossing paths with two amazing people who have expanded my soul and who I am. And so thank you so much for your presence, your work, everything you do for us, for me on my journey. And I so appreciate everything that has come into my life on this journey.